Hey guys, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes. In this video, I'll show you guys how I installed vinyl blinds on a double window. These blinds I bought at Home Depot for about $10. The size is 30 by 64 inches. It comes with everything you need, the hardware instructions, and the blind wand. When opening the box, I should have looked at the end. It says open this end, and that's because the hardware box is right there and you can easily remove it. Now the hardware shows the word top. I will be installing this inside my window frame, so keep that in mind and I'll show you how it's installed shortly. The blind will click into the hardware in this location. We don't want it to be over here. On the other side is the same. We want it to be in an empty space, so we should be installing it around this area. Here is where I'll be installing the vinyl blinds. First, we need to remove the current window treatments, and then we need to measure the width in 3 spots and also the height. From there, you can figure out what size is best for you to buy. In this case, for me, it was two 30-inch blinds. If you measure it, they are actually 29.5 inches. So keep that in mind. This brand didn't come with a template to draw the holes, but all you need to do is use the hardware and trace out the holes there with your pencil. No big deal. So again, we want the hardware to be in the empty location of the blinds. So I'm measuring a little bit off the edge and I'm tracing out the whole location. Don't forget on the hardware, the word top. That's the part that I'm tracing out. Also, in this case, I didn't really need a level because that piece of wood molding is straight. I traced it out 3 more times and then I brought up the vinyl blind near where I traced the holes to see how it would fit. Now I'm using the smallest drill bit that I had just to make a pilot hole. From experience, I know that this area is not hollow. If it's hollow, please use drywall anchors. But in this case, there is wood up there and it will screw to the wood and hold the weight of the blind. So when screwing the hardware, make sure that the L shape is towards the back. You don't want the L shape to be in the front because then you won't be able to place the blinds. This is done 3 more times the same way and then I'll be able to place the blinds. I'll speed this up a little bit. Now I'm ready to place the blinds. Make sure the attachment for the wand faces you. So in this case, I am tilting the blind towards me, putting it in the L bracket, pushing it in, and then pushing it up once I feel it went horizontally in. Once you hear that click, we know we're good to go. Now I'm doing the same thing for the other blind. Here is a close-up of the L bracket view. I'll be putting this blind in there, push it in horizontally. Once you feel it's in, then you push it up. And then you hear the click and it's secure. If for any reason you need to remove the blind, you can press the tab in the back of the L bracket. You push it. Same thing on the other side. You just push it. This, if you want to just regulate, move the blind left to right a little bit and then put it back in, all you need to do is just push on those tabs. Now we're ready to install the wand and we are all done. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.